The phrase break open is a versatile and commonly used expression that conveys the idea of opening or revealing something forcefully or suddenly. It implies that there is a barrier, seal, or enclosure that needs to be breached to access what is inside. This idiom can be used in both literal and figurative contexts, and its meaning may vary depending on the context in which it is employed. In a literal sense, break open often refers to physically opening something that is sealed or closed. For instance, you might use this phrase when referring to breaking open a door, a container, or a lock. It suggests the application of force or effort to gain access. For example, a firefighter might need to break open a door to rescue someone from a burning building. In another literal context, break open can relate to breaking through a protective covering or shell to reveal what is inside. This could include breaking open an egg to access the yolk, breaking open a pinata to reveal its contents, or even breaking open a geode to see the crystals within. In such cases, the emphasis is on uncovering what is hidden or concealed. In a figurative sense, break open is often used to describe a sudden or significant development or change in a situation, idea, or concept. It implies that something previously hidden or undisclosed is now becoming apparent or evident. For example, you might say that a new scientific discovery has broken open our understanding of a particular phenomenon, or that a groundbreaking piece of investigative journalism has broken open a major scandal. The phrase can also be applied to personal experiences and emotions. People may use break open to describe moments when they or others allow their true feelings to surface, often after suppressing them for a long time. This could involve someone breaking open emotionally and sharing their innermost thoughts or struggles with others. In the context of creativity and artistic expression, break open can signify a moment of inspiration or creative breakthrough. It represents the point at which an artist or creator overcomes a mental or creative block and experiences a surge of fresh ideas and innovation. Furthermore, break open can relate to opportunities or new beginnings. It suggests that a previously closed or limited situation has now presented a chance for growth, improvement, or exploration. For example, someone might say that a new job offer has broken open exciting career prospects. In conclusion, the phrase break open is a versatile expression that can be used in both literal and figurative contexts to convey the idea of forcefully or suddenly opening or revealing something. Whether referring to physical actions, discoveries, emotional expressions, creative inspiration, or new opportunities, this idiom encapsulates the notion of revealing what was previously concealed or inaccessible. Its usage can add vividness and depth to both everyday conversations and more profound discussions of various subjects.